Hi, Callan. Hi, Camden.
Hi, Mommy.
Okay, so what do we have here today?
Spin and lift crane, and backpack.
Great. So what's inside that spin and lift crane?
A crane,
Uh-huh.
cargo, and a trouble and truck, and a man that controls the crane, and two adapters,
And some tracks too.
like
Oh, some straights. Okay. Hi, Camden. Are you trying the crane out?
and this one,
That one has some curved tracks, some straight tracks.
and a ramp, and the horse walked on this one. Is a duck footprints on it.
Oh.
And this is for
Those are the adapters.
plus.
Oh, it's for age 3 plus. Okay, that's cool. Are you ready to open it? Okay, so you can actually add this to our existing Thomas and Friends wooden railway, and you can add some engines, other destinations, and expand your track set. Okay, let's open it.
Okay.
So we are done putting together the tracks, and we connected it with the other tracks that we have. So the good thing with this is they have adapters.
And when he's here, then he goes all the way around. All the
So you
way,
can connect it together
all the way
with
around,
the
all the way
old
around.
old model of the Thomas and Friends tracks.
And then you go this way, then
I think the ones that we got are for 2018.
let's go down, and then it goes into the cargo. Then
Oh,
you can-
cool! It's got a magnet.
Yes, and then
Is it gonna get the cargo? It's the fish cargo.
yes, get this cargo and then put on Emily's trouble and truck, and then you go off for you anywhere you wanted to deliver it.
Oh, that's cool.
Captain Emily! Choo, 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 choo. Coming through, coming through.
Coming through.
Oh no,
Oh, crash.
a cargo!
Raider and Camden is playing with it. And we have Emily, her tender, and one of the troublesome trucks, and the fish cargo.
Trouble, trouble. It took the cargo. Emily can go get the crane.
That's nice.
And then you can
Put it on. Oh, you can get the other one too. Ah. Crash. Emily's off the track. Oh no. Okay, so that is our lift and spin crane and the straights and curves track back from Thomas and Friends Wooden Railway. All right. So what are you going to say now? It's time to say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Okay, what are you going to say, Camden? Say bye.